Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G and E, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing themes. Now click on more over here, click on themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar. Now you can type wherever you wish to, like snow, and pick the best theme for you by clicking at the one that you wish to apply. Then tap on free over here. Wait a bit. Click on apply and wait again. Now when I click home button, I can see the theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by going into settings, scrolling down, selecting themes over here and tapping on my themes. Then pick one of those default ones like classic and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!